Welcome to Hotel California by Pure Locations. My name is Michelle.
And I'm McKenna, and we're very excited to take you on this tour of an incredible cliffside residence in Willara, located in the eastern suburbs of Sydney. This home is so unique, it could easily be mistaken for being tucked away in the Hollywood Hills or the Italian countryside. Let's take a closer look.
Between the architecture, styling, uniqueness and atmosphere of this home, it's no surprise it's been popular with our clients. The rich tones provide a dynamic background for editorial and fashion photo shoots. Outside, the established greenery that surrounds the home only adds to its grandeur.
Along with having a beautiful, luscious style fitting of our fashion and editorial clients, we found that both indoors and outdoors, this home has beautiful spaces that are useful for furniture clients or for people looking to do an intimate brand event. Fun and playful pops like this pattern behind me create visual interest and a nod to a beautiful retro style. Touches like this are what makes this home feel powerfully confident and cheerful all at once. Originally constructed in the 1930s, Hotel California has been lovingly restored to maintain all its original charm, which is partly what makes this home reminiscent of old world glamour in places like the Los Angeles Hills. Drawing in contemporary elements, this home was renovated to create a more sensible environment for the homeowners and their beautiful family. Oak flooring throughout the home creates a warm palette, and from room to room you'll find beautiful earth tones that tie it together. Hotel California has a unique ability to suit a wide range of creative briefs between all the available areas for shooting. Elements like this marble bench top behind me carried throughout the home between the kitchen and each of the bathrooms. Hotel California has one continuous style, creating a home that feels on brand in every room that you shoot in. While the ivy-covered exterior creates a regal and luxurious setting, the indoor areas are filled with natural light and welcoming touches. We hope you enjoyed this closer look at this incredible property located in the eastern suburbs of Sydney.
Contact the team at Pure Locations if you want to inquire about booking Hotel California.
We'll see you at the next house tour.